Sometimes laughter comes without warning, in the midst of a discussion or after a loss. It surprises us and often makes us feel guilty. How can the body react with something seemingly cheerful in the face of a negative emotion? Psychology has studied this phenomenon and defines it as a form of emotional defense. If you like this theme, don't forget to subscribe and give like. Laughing as a defense mechanism is a fascinating aspect of our psychology. In this video, we will explore how humor can arise in times of tension and what motivates it. To laugh in a tense situation does not imply a lack of empathy. According to specialists, it is a natural mechanism of the brain to release tension. When we face a threat, the body activates and seeks an escape valve, and laughter fulfills that function. A case collected by Intro Psychologists Madrid shows how laughter can arise in delicate discussions or issues. Although it may seem inappropriate, it is a physiological reaction that helps restore internal balance in times of stress. Psychologist Robert Provine argues that laughter is not always linked to humor, but to communication and emotional regulation. He observed that many people laugh in nervous contexts, not because something is fun, but to release accumulated tension. From the perspective of psychoanalysis, Sigmund Freud described humor as a way of releasing repressed impulses. Thus, laughing at tense moments could be an unconscious manifestation of intense emotions, such as anger or sadness. The team of intro psychologists summarizes that humor allows us to relieve repression and play with uncomfortable ideas. This nervous laughter fulfills an adaptive function, helping us to cope with emotional tension and regain control. Recent research from Stanford's Institute of Neuroscience reinforces this idea, noting that laughter activates brain circuits involved in reward and relaxation, balancing levels of cortisol and dopamine in stress situations. Laughter also has a social component. In social psychology, emotional dissonance is called the conflict that we feel when our emotions do not fit the norms of the environment. To laugh at inappropriate moments is a complex human reaction. It is important not to judge yourself by laughing at difficult times. Understanding that it is an automatic response of the organism can reduce guilt. Working emotional consciousness in therapy can turn laughter into a tool of conscious relief. To laugh after a tense situation is not a mistake, but an act of emotional survival. It is the way the body tells us that, despite the pain, we need to find a way to breathe and move on.